So welcome again in Viareggio, the heart of the yachting district, and let's have a look at this new beauty. We have the chance to have the first look at all at the newest Magellano 60. Designed always together with Ken Freevook, with his unique capability to shape these unbelievable lines, so modern and so classic at the same time. Comes with a very, how can I say, cool color. It is this blue with some green nuances. But let's jump on board, huh?
Yeah, let's go. So today we are in Viareggio, which is the hub of the production of the Grande collection for Azimut Yachts. And today, as Valerio was saying, we are so happy to introduce to you the new 60 Magellano that we have the chance to have here today for our rendezvous. And this is the very first hull, as I was saying, first in water, ready for the summer. So, as you see here at stern, Valerio is on the swimming platform, which is hydraulic up and down. You can fit a tender 325 roughly. And at stern, you have this new beautiful storage. So this is a very nice feature. It's dry, so you can put something that could be dry or wet toys. So very, very, very useful. And at stern, you also have the entrance for the crew cabin.
Yeah, the crew cabin with the very large, comfortable bed, and of course his own restroom and shower.
A very nice feature that you see already at stern here is this infinity terrace look. So this idea was born with a 25 meter in the first place, and then Azimut kept doing that for all the range of the Magellano. So this is a very nice feature. When you sit here in the cockpit, you really enjoy the beauty of the sea.
It's unbelievable because when you think the traditional solution is a C-shaped sofa here, viewing it basically at a glass door. Instead, with this solution, you can fully enjoy the atmosphere, the environment, the surroundings, looking at the sea and enjoying it. And this is not just a dining area anymore, but is a proper external saloon where you can spend time with your friends, with your family, with your kids.
Absolutely. This is a very transformable area, let me say, so day and night. And of course, as like all traditional system that Azimut does, we have here the electric awning.
The privacy curtain.
And this high-low table to transform actually into a proper dining table.
Yeah, when you need it, it comes up and you have a great table for how many? 4 here, 4 here, plus a couple of chairs here if you want. So I would say 10 people, really super comfy.
And a very nice feature that we have special for this new unit, this is a kind of unique stuff for the Magellano collection, is this storage under this bench here through the bottom.
Yep.
This is especially designed exactly for the storage of the sea bob. So you have a drain here to let water goes out.
Really close to the platform, so safe and comfortable.
Absolutely. And again, you save so much space and you can load the boat with all the toys you need.
Here you can see what is now a traditional fabric for Azimut brand, the body line. Really nice looking, but strong at the same time.
Yeah, and the shapes they are used for the Magellano specifically, it's a news again because it's very, very C shape, let me say. So no more edges, which is good on a boat. I mean.
Mooring area very practical. All is at the right place. Cleats, mooring winches, and a proper storage for ropes.
Side gates to access the boat in case you are moored port side, starboard side.
Or
when you fuel.
Or
to jump.
This is the main purpose of the gates.
So just to finish with the cockpit maybe, here there is a very nice entrance together with the salon that we see later, and this option of a bar area, which is very nice. So
once again, this is a very clever solution. Why? Because you can use with this solution together the cockpit area and the saloon area as well, and it connects the galley with those areas in a very, I would say, clever way.
Oh yeah, absolutely.
What do you want, spritz? What?
Spritz? Yes, please.
Let me show you how it works. So.
Oh yeah, yeah, this is a nice feature.
In case of bad weather, in case of something wrong, you just push a button, raise the window up. Super cool. Please, Sarah.
Okay, so let's do inside.
Here we have a galley with miele appliances, standard for Azimut. A combi oven, microwave and traditional.
Plenty of storage everywhere.
Once again, a dishwasher miele. Here some storage. Here, the designers really trying to find out every storage possible.
Been up here.
With some biscuits.
And everything is like Azimut is doing. Everything is, let me say, hidden. So even the fridge, which is not now anymore, let me say, that you don't see it because it's hidden perfectly here. And more storage here. And
Chinaware glasses and so on.
And again, to hide everything, but everything.
Hide, but at the same time in a very comfortable.
Smart spot. So this is the switch panel.
Wine cooler.
Everything you need.
And this is a super cool solution. Why? Because
this is very, very smart solution. We tried it yesterday. So this is just not an up and down system for the Salon. The TV can actually fully rotate, and you can enjoy the TV even in the cockpit. So
let's say
smart, pretty smart.
You can watch it, of course,
from here,
the sofa, like this, or if you are outside on the cockpit, just rotate it a bit more and you can watch it from the cockpit.
The windows here are really one of a kind. Very big windows. Now Azimut is lately doing these one-piece windows, not to have interruption and to have this infinity always in front of you. And look at this big window here. It's incredible. This part of the salon is super nice. Up and down system again for the table, which is actually can be the inside the dinette if the weather is not perfect outside. So this area is actually really, really enjoyable. What do you think?
I mean, Azimut made this solution with this high-low table since the 60s, and I find it very intelligent, very smart, because you have at the same time an enjoyable area, nice sort of saloon, but when you need it, you just raise the table up, double it so easily.
Yeah, and again, 6 people.
Full view.
Yeah.
Wow. I mean, I'm not 2 meters high, but...
Oh yeah, the space. Yeah, the space is the one of the Magellano. Let me say that the Magellano is famous for the storage, volumes, for the volumes, for to be really at home, but on the water. And
I am impressed by the view.
Oh yeah.
We have really a 360 degrees view.
It's super lighty, very, very nice decor again. Azimut did a great job with the colors. So as you can see, this is a lot of work in terms of styling too, because
it's a
to
sort
find
of cozy
this
and
perfect
chic design.
But let's speak about men things. So someone has to drive.
So even the Magellano 60 has the unique features of the double hull, meaning it has the chance to have 2 different cruising speed, lower cruising speed and high. I would say between 10 and then higher, 18, 19 knots. The yacht comes with the newest MIN, 730 each horsepower. In this unit you can see the joystick. I mean, you have the boat thruster and the throttles here, but if you want, you can maneuver just with this command, just with the joystick. Here you have the intruders, the flaps, autopilot. You can have an immediate and very detailed check of the situation on board through this function, to this feature. So here you can have, you can see the levels of the tanks.
Yeah, power, AC, everything is right there. Alarms.
I don't know why it's not working, but okay. Maybe it's too hot.
Little storage with a socket.
Air conditioning is...
It's nice today. Oh, not to forget, and speaking of storage again.
Chinaware, yep.
Chinaware here. And a window just here immediately that opens electrically. Right, let's find the lower deck, which is, you'd be surprised. And look at the stair here already. The stair is very, very comfy and
What's
safe.
That? Oh.
Storage.
Storage.
When you get to the lower deck, and you have already right here a storage, which is very big, very useful for whatever you need, maybe even for the cleaning stuff, let me say. And so that you are there, the washer and dryer. And the day head right here immediately.
Yeah, In the lower deck you can find 3 cabins and 3 heads. This is the third head. It serves the third cabin and the main deck as well. While here we are entering on the master, full beam, of course, with these amazing design windows on both sides with portholes, so you can have a fresh air circulation. Here a cabinet with drawers. All storage here. Yeah, we still have all the bed covers to be put in place.
Have you seen the master head already?
Not yet.
It's super.
Behind the bed? Oh. Storage is everywhere. And the TV is hidden behind this mirror here. So very nice, clean, and practical at the same time.
We have the feature that Azimut was using for, again, for the gamma, for the range. So we have the bronze details everywhere, as we saw on other models, and these, I don't know, cannettato, it's in Italian decor guide, so it's very nice and soft fabric, which is... Yeah, go ahead.
Very important, we will have a look at maybe later. The generator and the seakeeper are very far from this, I would say, from the master, because they're placed at the very end of the engine's room.
Which is good.
So in order to provide the highest level of silence, meaning the lowest levels possible in terms of noise and vibrations.
You feel quiet already. I mean, we are here, the boat is with AC and everything running, because all the systems are running now, except, of course, the generator, because we are on the quay, but
only the
anyway,
flow of the air conditioning.
Yeah, it's very, very silent, and there's many people around now, because we are in a sort of boat show, let me say, and we have boats next to the both sides.
We are not in a bay.
Yeah, but then you feel the quietness and the relaxation that you can have here.
I'm ready to spend at least a week on board. Here on the corridor, you can see you have the dishwasher, the wash and dryer. Here is the twin, the twin cabin. Light everywhere, even in this galley, in this cabin with a proper storage.
And this beautiful VIP, again very high. Look at that, lot of storage on both sides, and as usual here. And you have the direct entrance to the VIP head, which is actually with double entrance, so you can enter right here where you are and from the VIP.
I am impressed by the dimensions of the shower boxes.
Oh yeah.
Are really... Wow.
Yeah, and what is surprising for me, it was the shape.
And I am not in.
It's the shape, Valerio, of this new shower, because it's not so easy actually to have a glass like that, so round. So I think it's very nice and even a challenge solution.
Let's move up. I love this carpet.
Yeah, it's a very nice color. Again,
The color is
full in line with the hull.
esatto, esatto, esatto.
We have seen already the cockpit. Maybe one last thing at all, and then we go on the fly. This is the spot where you can actually have the mooring extra station, so the third cockpit station for easy maneuvering of the boat. Of course, it's not here, but you can have right here.
Maybe let's go to the bow first.
Yeah.
Huh? We are in a 60, but the sideworks look like an 80-footer.
What to say? I mean,
Ho-ho.
this is a very enjoyable area.
May I?
So now you are enjoying the version, let me say, sunbed area. But then, if you just...
No, I'm fine with it.
This is a transformable area. Like, you know, if you are into Azimut Yachts, you can just move these up and it turns into a sofa. And of course, you can double the table. So, super nice. And of course, you can cover it with the four carbon poles and the shade.
Yeah, you can plug the poles here, and then at night you can pop those lights up. Mooring station, once again, super safe, very strong cleats, windlass, absolutely in the more practical position.
One thing that I found interesting on the Magellano is exactly what Valerio was saying, the smartness of the bow area and the mooring area. Because, you know, normally on the Flybridges you have to cross, let me say, the rails to moor. In this case, you have the mooring right here. So if you think like you see a lot of times, if you add, for example, a net here for the safety of your kids, or if you have animals, you can keep mooring safely, because this is where you have the lines, and not here like on the regular flights, let me say. So again,
moreover, it's the best solution in order even to keep the
painting.
hull,
Yeah. So one thing to think about.
Wow, looks great.
Oh yeah. I mean, the line, we saw it from the dock before. It's just so beautiful, the wool hull.
Here you have some bottle holders or glass holders and storage. All this is all storage. Okay, let's move up. I love this satin black finishing of the
It's super
handrail.
nice, yeah. So welcome to the fly here. It's, again, we will check it out now, but it's a very big Flybridge. You have this option of the R-top, which is very smart. You can have, of course, everything open, so no R-top, but this is what you want to have, because you can even open it. So this is quite easy to transform and to enjoy the sun. An option cabinet here, which is nice for the storage.
See, to serve the dining table, the dining area.
And the second station.
Doesn't open. No, doesn't open.
Look at that. That's the seakeeper controller we were looking for
Oh, yeah.
before.
Here we have the audio controls and the seakeeper panel. The same displays we had on the main station. Joystick, throttles, autopilot, VHF. Very, very easy to maneuver. I mean, in terms of
I
viewing.
personally love the wheel here. It's very classic and
But modern.
Yeah.
Magellano style.
Yeah, nostalgic. Let me say, this is the feeling I have on the boat. Nostalgic in a good sense. I mean, in the it
Is
reminds you
modern,
of
elegant and traditional. Is really a unique style.
One
Wow.
thing I love, you are in the perfect spot for the shower. It's very hot today, so if you want to try.
How does it work? Let me see.
So yeah, you have, if you want to enjoy this area here, you can. You don't even have to go. You don't even have to go to the swimming platform to jump. You just stay here and enjoy your shower. Same as other Magellano's features. Here you have the barbecue and an appliance, like in this case it's a fridge, and storage. Plenty of storage everywhere. So this is something we know from the other previous 66 and the other models. So now, Valerio, our
part
field.
of the Flybridge is you can have several solutions, but in this case you have this super chic C-shaped sofa, and very comfortable, by the way, with a nice stand.
Yeah, so basically here you can have everything fully, let me say, open, so no shade. But if you have this kind of solution, it's good to have something on your head. Otherwise, everything free and a lot of space to party hard on the fly.
This Magellano Neo 6 is really amazing. Waiting for you to discover on board. We will have it on display. The public unveiling will be at Cannes.
Yeah. So,
Waiting for you guys.
Yeah. Thank you for watching us and see you soon.
Bye.
Bye.